I'm reviewing this Honeywell desk lamp. Right now is in a folded position, so I can extend this. From the base, it rotates up to 90 degrees. And then in the midsection, I could also rotate it up. This is horizontal now, and then it would go up another 45 degrees. So by the time you are fully extended, it is really in a right up position. So in the standing position, fully extended, it is 24 inches high. It comes with a 12 volt, 2 amps power supply. So I'm going to plug this in now. So now it's plugged in, and then at the base plate here, there are 4 buttons. So this is on. So now one other feature that this lamp has is you can rotate it on its axis to point 90 degrees sideways. So I'm just going to tilt this a little bit, and you can control the color temperature. There are 4 color temperature to choose from. And there's a timer here. The timer is, if you activate it, there's a light come on. I'm not sure you can see it, but so there's a light come on, and it's only 30-minute setting. Once it is turned off automatically, you could restart it by pressing this button. And here is a work mode setting, and this mode is also duplicated in this color temperature setting here for the daylight mode. Here is a slider for controlling the brightness of the lamp. It could go to 0 and then go back to 100%. So this light is perfect for university student. The reason is university student, when they go to university, they might be moving from dormitory to a resident. And because this is foldable, it is very easy to transport from room to room or from a dormitory to a residence. There is also a USB-A and USB-C output. It's outputting at 5 volts, 2 amps. It's not a fast charger, but you could plug in your iPhone and your Apple Watch. And it's a very high-tech design as well. It could rotate to many different angles for illumination. Perfect for a university student.
Here's the lamp. Turn on. I'm sorry, it's daylight, but you can toggle through the different brightnesses by clicking this one here. So you have lots of different lighting settings. Okay. And if you click this working one, it basically just goes straight to the working light, which not ideal, but go back to the more chill one. And then you can also use this to adjust and dim the light. So you just slide your hand along it, really cool. And then there's also a timer on it, sets it for 30 minutes before it goes off. And then you have your ports for charging a phone on that right now, and then you can just turn it off. And it also collapses, so you can change it and collapse down further, actually. Here, there you go.
Here is the Honeywell desk lamp. Fold it. Boom. Ah, this thing is great. Super bright. Multiple temperatures. Brightness is sweet. Just and you can touch anywhere. You want it really bright? You want it really low? That's it. Looks great. Easy. Perfect.